Have you heard about Google's latest AI tool? It's like a secret weapon for video editing. Dreamix is making waves in the creative industry with its ability to transform your footage into cinematic gold using just a text prompt. Time to dream big? What in the world of ChatGPT is going on? Google finally hopped on the AI bandwagon. That's what. Let's start from the beginning. Google recently published this research paper showing off their brand new AI that has become the dream for amateurs but a nightmare for video editors. According to this, Dreamix uses diffusion to enable text-based motion and appearance editing for a wide variety of videos. Does this mean you can make your own animated series at home now? Well, it's not quite at the level of Tony Stark's Jarvis, but it can take your existing footage and transform it using text prompts, bringing your smaller fantasies to life, like a cat eating a banana or a dog in a party hat. It's like giving your videos a facelift without going under the knife for hours of editing. Yes, now we can have videos produced from text prompts. Don't believe us? Look at this exhibit. You give Dreamix a video and a text prompt and it'll work its magic to edit the video while maintaining all the important stuff like color, posture, object size, and camera pose. The result? A video that's not only mind-blowing, but also temporarily consistent. Now, let's take a look at this eating monkey video on the left. Cute, right? But what if we told you that with just a simple text prompt, Dreamix could turn that monkey into a dancing bear? Oh yeah, just give Dreamix the prompt, a bear dancing and jumping to upbeat music, moving his whole body, and bam! Dancing bear on the right. Who needs a monkey when you can have a bear that knows how to boogie? It's like having a personal video editing genie, except it won't grant you 3 wishes, but it'll grant you 1 wish that's worth 1,000. If typing is too hard, use your gallery. Yeah, Google knows everything. Your passwords, your incognito searches, and you are all couch potatoes at heart. Therefore, Google took it up a notch. Say goodbye to all those pesky cameras, microphones, and lights. All you need is a still image and some text prompts, and Dreamix will turn it into a jaw-dropping masterpiece. Here in this clip, we've got a picture of a sleepy turtle, but Dreamix has injected some serious motion into that bad boy. We've got a freaking shark swimming around, making the turtle look like a total boss. Who cares for actual footage of underwater life when you can create your own with Dreamix, right? And don't even get us started on the visual fidelity. Dreamix nails it every time. The object location and background are spot on, even if the turtle's direction is a little wonky. Give it a little break. It's still new software and it's doing better than most of the others out there. It isn't limited to a 1 image prompt. You can use your whole gallery or a part of it. You know how sometimes you've got just a handful of pictures of a toy fireman and you're like, man, I wish this little dude could lift some weights and show off his strength. Open Pandora's box of your wants and dreams, because Dreamix is too good and very true. It's like a whole new world, people. Dreamix takes those few images and extracts the visual features to create a video that's more impressive than your high school graduation montage. And don't worry about fidelity or temporal consistency, because Dreamix has got that covered. How? We'll get to that in a bit. Look at this first. You know what they say, a picture is worth 1,000 words, but Dreamix takes it to the next level. With just a few images of a puppet white bear, it will leave you with a perfectly polished video of a white bear drinking water. And the best part, the white bear's identity is perfectly preserved, so you know it's him and not some other bear imposter. But how does it cook all of this? First things first, forget everything you know about fine-tuning on the input video alone. That's so last year. So picture this, you've got a low resolution video that's just not cutting it, but you've got some high resolution images that could really spruce things up. How do you combine the two? Well, our genius team has come up with a video diffusion model that does just that. Basically, at inference time, the model takes the low-res video and synthesizes new high-res information that aligns with a guiding text prompt. But it doesn't stop there. Google wanted to make sure they were really keeping the fidelity of the original video intact, so they added a preliminary stage of fine-tuning on the original video in Dreamix. And let us tell you, it made a huge difference. For example, we have Dreamix showing off its party tricks. This clip showcases how Dreamix can take a plain old puppy and add a party hat to it, all while maintaining its adorable identity. But that's not all. Oh no, Dreamix is a jack of all trades, with multiple applications that cater to your every need. How does it turn a static image into a video? Easy peasy, there's a whole new framework for it. First, Dreamix transforms the image into a coarse video using simple image processing operations like replication and perspective geometric projections. Then it used its trusty video editor to really bring it to life, and the end result, mind-blowing. In this jaw-dropping example, we witness the true power of Dreamix's video editing abilities. Not only does it seamlessly zoom out of the scene, but it also adds a buffalo bathing in a river. Dreamix also improves motion editability by a mixed objective that fine-tunes with full temporal attention and with temporal attention masking. What does that mean, you ask? Well, let's just say it makes the whole process a lot smoother and more efficient. Here, with just a handful of toy caterpillar images, Dreamix can create a video that'll make you forget you're not in the great outdoors. And with Dreamix, you can customize the scenery to your heart's desire. Want your caterpillar crawling on a leaf? No problem. Want it crawling on a piece of toast? Dreamix can make it happen. Who needs nature when you have technology? And let's not forget about our pièce de résistance, the Dreamix video editor. In this clip, we see Dreamix pull off a bakery magic trick by replacing a boring old papaya with a delectable cake. The scene looks so delicious, you'll want to take a bite out of your screen. Also, the rest of the scene is intact effortlessly. The wizardry is simple. It takes a coarse video and transforms it into a work of art, all with a little bit of corruption, downsampling, and noise. Then, it simply applies the fine-tuned text-guided video diffusion model, and voila! A spatio-temporally impeccable video that would make even Steven Spielberg jealous. If you want to impress your friends with some high-quality videos featuring talking vegetables or break-dancing dolls, Dreamix is the way to go. Until next time, keep dreaming and let Dreamix do the rest.